Good morning, everyone. So we're going to answer today what's new on page 7. So we are told here to determine whether the mapping diagram or the graph diagram represents a function or a mere relation, and write your answers, of course, in your own notebook, not on the module. So here, this is number 1, letter A. We are doing mapping diagrams here. And as you can see, the first element, or the x, is not repeating. So for every x, there is a corresponding y, or there is a corresponding element, and it is not repeating. So therefore, this is a function. So you write that in your notebook. It is a function. Or you check your work. If your work is function, if your answer is function, then you check your work. So for letter B, so as you can see here, there is a duplication of the first element. So the first element has many partners. So therefore, this one does not satisfy the requirement for a function. So it's only a mere relation. So, relation. And for letter C, although they have the same second element, but the first element is not repeating. So therefore, this is also a function. For number 1, letter D, we have here 11A and the negative 4, 6, and B. As you can see, negative 4 does not have a partner. Therefore, this is not a relation. And this is not a function. So this is only a relation. Can't even tell if it's a relation because something is missing. But anyway. So let's go to number 2. So for number 2, we have this diagram, letter A. So for this one, as you can see, if we will draw a line, a vertical line here, it will only pass the graph once. So therefore, if it will pass the graph only once, then this is a function. So in your notebook, there should be function there. For letter B, once again, we do the vertical line test. We draw an imaginary vertical line, and since it will only intercept the graph at one point, therefore this is a function. So for number 3, we have this wavy graph. And this wavy graph, if we draw a vertical line anywhere, it will intercept the graph at only one point. So therefore, this is a function. Next is we have letter D, and we have some sort of a closed figure. Now, if we draw a line, a vertical line, we will see that it will intercede or intercept the graph at 2 points. So since it will intercept the graph at 2 points, this is not a function. This is a relation. So that's all for what's new on page 7.